This is what I've been scammed last night with. They scammed me on 100 USD, American dollars.
My hotel concierge told me that one of the $100 bills I gave him was fake. For those fucking girls at the massage parlor.
Yeah. So in Cambodia, my $400 was changed. It was replaced with fake dollars at a massage shop.
These are scam schemes designed to dupe foreigners. In Cambodia, watch and avoid becoming the next victim.
Guys, if you've enjoyed this video so far, please do me a huge favour and hit the like button and subscribe. These videos take quite a long time to make, so if you could help me out, I'll love you forever. Thank you all for your support. Now let's get back to this crazy story.
It's day 2 of my stay in Cambodia, right in the Central Best Point Hotel in the central hub of Phnom Penh, the capital and most populous city of Cambodia. It has been the national capital since the French protectorate of Cambodia and has grown to become the nation's primate state and its economic, industrial and cultural city. Phnom Penh, Cambodia's busy capital, sits at the junction of the Mekong and the Tonle Sap rivers. It was a hub for both the Khmer Empire and the French colonialists. On its walkable riverfront lined with parks, restaurants and bars are the ornate Royal Palace, Silver Pagoda and the National Museum. These interesting tourist sites are not the only ones. It also boasts of the popular Angkor Wat, the Killing Field of Cambodia, the National Museum, the Genocide Museum, and the popular Central Market with everything for grabs in Cambodia.
So one of the popular places I have seen is massage. Massage business is all over, and these people, they work really at night. At night you see a lot of people just seated here. Now most places you see this massaging here.
Don't think everything is safety for you. Just every second you walk, you have to take care of yourself.
Okay.
It's not only Cambodia.
That's correct.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I've seen a lot of massage all around.
Oh.
What do you really do there?
For the massage that you call you, hello sir, massage, some thought it's not good for you.
Some massage are not good?
Yes, because you see the massage, we have like good place, we have the bidding like good place, like we have in receptionist, we have place for explanation for you, but like that, it's not safety for you.
It's not good for me?
Yeah, not good for you.
Why?
It's not good for you. It's just not good for you, you should understand.
Ah.
Yeah,
okay.
No standard, no quality, it's not the real massage.
It's not the real massage?
Yeah.
So what massage do they offer there?
It's like, I cannot say more than this.
Okay, okay.
But I hope you understand that it's not good for you. It's you are foreigner.
Yes,
but I'm local here, I know what is this.
Okay.
But
okay.
for every tourist, I always inform that if you have money, you should spend in the standard massage ones.
Okay.
Like I can say like body spa.
Okay.
It's a standard for massage and the real massage. It's not the real. It's a fake massage.
It's a fake massage?
Yeah, fake massage.
Because like I walk in the night.
Sure. Every street always have that, but it's not safety for you.
Wow.
You will hit Cambodia because of that. If you lose your money, you lose your village, and you will say, oh, Cambodia is not good. You take my money, but we did not make it. Only that make it for you.
Wow, that's a nice.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. I'm seeing a lot of massage all over here. Massage.
Yeah.
Can I visit those massage?
Massage over here is not good. They change your money.
The massage over here is not good.
Yeah, they change to the fake money. So if you massage there, they will steal your money.
How would they steal my money?
They change when you sleep.
When you put something in the car.
How do they change it?
Bro, have
If I put money in their locker,
Yeah, we have one more key.
So they will change.
You use one key, they have one more key, open the locker.
Yeah.
whilst I am in the massage,
Yeah.
or when I go out.
When you do the massage, when you sleep, lay down on the bed, so they will change it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I shouldn't visit that massage, right?
Yeah.
Okay, because I was going to visit tonight.
Oh, not good.
I shouldn't go.
Yeah, the massage they charge $3, $5, so it's not good. If you want to go massage, you can go at the corner like $15 up.
Okay.
This one massage not good. Change the money, steal your money.
Why is it not good? You have been here, you are a man. You should be there to know that yes, it's not good. Why is it not good?
Because he know have the experience massage.
They don't have the experience massage.
Only the
Boom, boom.
no play. Okay.
Not professional.
Not professional massage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because in the night when I walk here, I see a lot of them and they are calling you massage, massage, massage. Beautiful, beautiful girls. Like you. I saw someone like you. Say, massage. I said, oh, this massage will be fine because the girls are beautiful. So they'll give a beautiful massage.
Yeah, beautiful, but not professional.
Okay.
Fake.
And fake.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
The operations of these massage parlors seem to be an open secret to all native Cambodians. But my big question is, why haven't the police gotten rid of them if they all know of this and even their operations? I wish I had done all these interviews earlier, meaning this is a trap for foreigners. They are specifically made for foreigners. If I had known this earlier, I would have known how to conduct myself. Unfortunately, I visited the parlors that night and my money had already been swapped. All that while, I kept fake money, fake US dollars with me. Now it was time to check and confront them and make videos to advise others.
To me.
Hi, hello.
How you seeing Cambodia? How's Cambodia?
Let's see. I think it's gonna be a.
Oh, you just came yesterday, right?
Yeah, I arrived yesterday.
So far, have you been to town? Have you been to town?
Yes. Now I gonna go to Genoci Museo.
Okay.
Yeah.
What you going to go and see?
I wanna see the culture, know the people, know the food. I don't know.
Okay.
I have to be careful.
And I'm seeing a lot of massage in Cambodia, like a lot of massage. I'll give it a try and see. Yeah. That would be a nice place to be. Oh, holy shit. Massage all around. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? You know, I see this massage thing in Hanoi, and yeah, it's really a massage. I'm still seeing massage all over here, man. Hey, I did say no massage with happy ending. Hey, oh my word! I'll try one of this massage before I leave Cambodia. There are a number of massage parlors here. Hello. Let me just see. I don't know. Massage. Oh, okay. Oil massage, casual massage, air conditioning massage. How much? $5? No video. For massage, no video. No video. Guys, massage. Oh my God, that's another massage. Holy shit. That's another massage. I'm just sure the prices are just there, you know. You don't have a problem with my camera, right? Okay, hello. Yeah. You speak English, right? Little. Okay. I don't speak Cambodian. Your language. How much do you charge for this? How much? How much? I'm sorry, you don't speak.
Inside of these massage parlors are designed with plywoods and are made into about 4 separate rooms, meaning that 4 people can have massage at the same time. Inside the rooms are lockers where you can hang your pants and your shirt. And that is the only place you can hang your shirt and your dress and also leave your valuables. Whilst the massage is ongoing, they lock this and give you the key. You'll be thinking that you are the only person with access to the lock. But just behind you is another lock that they tend to go into your locker and change your US dollars whilst you have your head down and having the body massage. Meanwhile, you'll be enjoying. That is when the operation will be done. Just when the operation is done, they tell you they are done with the massage. Whether it's 30 minutes down the line or 40 minutes, they tell you they are done. So you can leave. And when you also refuse to comply by putting your things in a locker, then there won't be any massage for you. They'll ask you to leave. Took me the next day to realize that my $100 note has all been taken, and tactically as they are, they left the lesser note, which is the 50 USD and the 20 USD, the 10 USDs, and these were the denominations I was virtually buying things with. I was just lucky to have realized in the afternoon after I tried to change $100 bill. Later in the afternoon, I went to confront them to have my original $100 bills back.
I guess you know why I'm here. Yes, I come from massage. From that girl there, the tattoo. She switched my money. If I don't get my money back now, I give video camera footage to police. I want my money back.
Who is in charge of this place? Yesterday, I've got replaced fake dollars, yeah, in my locker. Yeah? Can I see the manager? You manager? I spoke to you yesterday, yeah? Yesterday in my locker, this been replaced from fake to fake money. Yeah. I see your fingerprints. Fingerprints on this. I put it under the microscope, under the camera. Oh, yeah. Please, go.
Meet Mr. Isidro. Our investigations revealed that he had about 7 of these massage parlors. He and his gang were virtually in charge of all these fake massage parlors in Cambodia.
Are you guys manager? Are you manager? Huh? Manager? Can I have a money back? Okay. I'm sorry then. I'm sorry guys. Sorry. Okay. The guys turned up. And it seems that they fucking gave me original one back. was worth paying a visit. Ha!
Tony was very happy he recovered his money, but there was one thing that stood out. He went there with the camera and he had footage of the whole place, and the guy, sensing trouble, gave back his money. Meet Mr. Isidro and his gang. They were the same people who attended to me to negotiate. In 3 different locations of the similar event, they were there as the managers of the same parlor to come and negotiate. They negotiate when they realize you can be of danger to them. And when they do, they play to give you part of the money or you lose everything. Meet the special operations manager in charge of swapping original US dollar bill into fake US dollar bill. Sensing trouble, he requested for a picture with me so that I don't return with the police to demand for my money
so
again.
He's giving me, he's refunded $150. Yeah, so there is no problem, okay? There is no problem, okay?
It turned out that my $400 bill that was swapped also got short by $100 bill, meaning one got lost. And so we had to work with $300 bill. Based on that, half was given to me. That was $150 US.
So I came here with $400 to massage and they stole my $400. So I came to bargain back and they are giving me, okay, so he's giving me, he's refunded $150. Yeah, so there is no problem, okay? There is no problem, okay?
Now, in case you didn't catch all of that, the lady offered me $200 of the $300 they took back. I accepted the offer and recovered 2/3 of my money back. The girl allegedly spent $100 of that, but...
One thing that stood out for most of us recovering parts or some of our money was that we all had cameras that we went into it. Thousands and hundreds of tourists went and never got one kobo of their money back.
I spoke to one foreigner. I think he's an American guy. And I mentioned him about this scam yesterday in a massage salon. He said, oh, it's a very common thing, you know. It's happened to every foreigner. And he said one Chinese guy lost $2,500 in the same situation.
Be wary of erotic massage parlors in Phnom Penh. Many of them are fronts for sex scams, and they will try to cheat you out of your money. If you do decide to risk it and visit one, keep your wits about you and don't leave your belongings unattended. Secondly, always negotiate the price up front and don't allow the girls to negotiate with you later on. This way you won't get caught off guard by any sudden increase in price. Finally, be careful with your money. Try to carry smaller denominations and don't carry too much cash on you. My personal advice would be just to avoid all the massage parlors altogether because it's just not worth the risk. Thanks for coming along for this journey. Tap that like button.
Don't look for the massage, it's a scam. It's a scammer's place. You know that, yeah? All foreigners know about this.
So the next time you visit Cambodia, enjoy your local food, be in your hotel, and get home. If you have to visit a massage parlor, be careful not to go with any huge dollar denominations because if you lose them, you may not be lucky like us to get it back.